Oh, welcome, man. Look, man. How nice it to not have a care in the world. This guy had to go around because the ducks was blocking the road. Look at that. They don't have a care in the world. Like, and you better not get close to one or run one over. Like, where are they headed? Inquiring minds want to know, where are the ducky ducks headed? Are they looking for food? See how they travel in packs? I wish I had some duck food. Is that even a duck? I'm just sitting here talking. I don't even know. All right, who out there really, animals know they animals? See, I'm a mechanic. I'm a dirty mechanic. And most of the guys that tune into my channel are dirty mechanics. Or either DIY guys. Let me get up a little closer. Ooh, look, they fighting, y'all. Y'all see that? So ducks fight too. Hello, ducky ducky. My name is JT the car guy. What's your name? Oh, so they eat grass. Hi. Hello. Hello. Over here. JT the car guy. Where are y'all going? What is y'all mission for the day? They travel in packs. Uh-oh. Looks like they making a turn. Looks like they going east. Where y'all headed? Hello? Who's the ringleader? They confused. They don't know. Oh, please don't get on the road, on the main road, or those cars can't stop. So it looks like they're hungry, guys. Looks like they're headed to Applebee's. Now, I don't know what kind of food, duck food, what Applebee's have on the menu for ducks. I don't know. Now, that's a McDonald's right across the street, but I highly recommend that they don't go across the street. They might not make it back. Okay. But, okay. Enough fun for the day, JT. You are late. And guys, I am late. I have a water pump job to do on the Pacifica. Oh, y'all remember the Pacifica? Let me go to work. I'm out here playing with these ducks. Y'all remember the Pacifica that I wrote up for the water leak, coolant leak? They had declined, and I did that video telling y'all to go check out Uncle Mark's. Well, I guess they got a hold to some money, and they have returned. So I'm still, that's too much. You know, it's the same. If y'all watch Uncle Mark video, y'all would understand there's no need for me to film that. Uncle Mark killed it. Real cool dude, Uncle Mark, that is. So he nailed it. All right. Again, 3.5 and the 4-liter. Look, guys. Look at that shot. We're putting the finishing touches on it. Hey. See that? Mopar or no par, as Paul Joe would say. Hey, we got a master locksmith here. What are they gonna do? Hey, look at this beauty of a facility. Heating and air conditioning. They getting the heating and AC working. Big boys out now to turn stuff on. So they projecting around next week, guys. We're gonna be up and running. Oh, okay, guys. Again, I am late, so I'm gonna have to sneak in. Hopefully my boss will not see me, guys. Ooh, don't look like much going on the lane unless they done wrote up everything and already have it in the back. What is these lube guys? Ooh, I need to get that radiator, guys. I'm still a scrapyard guy. I'm still poor, okay? That hasn't changed. I still need to hustle. I'm gonna have a hustle. Even if I had money, I think I'd still be a hustler. That just tells it's just in me. It ain't even got nothing to do with how much money you got or if you got money. It just hustling is just in my blood, I guess. So guys, y'all hold tight, man. Y'all know I gotta sneak in here. Let's get it. All right, guys, here we go. Got a timing belt right here. Oh, one engine mount. Y'all remember that car? It needed a motor mount. One. That's all I got in the box. What kind of goodies we got down here? This must be the water pump. Yep, that's the water pump. Due to the mileage, I recommend a tensioner and yes, hydraulic tensioner. What is this? Pulley? Pulley? It's anyone's guess. I don't know. Yep. This is the one that always comes apart, guys. This timing belt will outlast these pulleys. See, this pulley has been redesigned. The bearings in these was crappy, guys. Even OEM, okay? Sorry, OEM. I had to say that, but y'all made some crappy pulleys in the beginning. All right, now, again, I think this is a water pump. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. Yep, it is. Did I get a gasket? Or did it come with a gasket? Hopefully it came with a gasket. And, ta-da! Yes, it did. This is the culprit. This is why the car is in the first place. I guess they ain't gonna do nothing about that strut and that hole. Damage is done. Yeah, this is the water pump with the O-ring. All right, guys. Enough playing around, JT. All right, I got work to do. I'm not gonna film this again. I'm gonna put another link up here, right here, to Uncle Mark's video on that 3.5 or that 4 liter he was doing. The exact same repair, guys. So, I'm not set up to do tutorial. Okay, so y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. My day's just starting, and looks like it might be a okay day. All right, guys, I gotta go. Thanks for watching.